Hey guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I've got a different boat today. I traded the other boat for a Shallow V, which is something I wanted. I don't think it's as long as the other boat. Oh, maybe it is. It's just not as wide at the front. The other one was a flat bottom boat. This one needs some cleaning, but everything's pretty much there. I got it on my old trailer. Needs some wood here, which is no big deal because this is all riveted or bolted in place, so I can handle that. I think for today with the trolling motor I'll be okay. But I've got the original tags here. Definitely needs some cleaning out. I'm going to get a little broom and brush this out. I haven't used it yet, haven't had it in the water, but it was holding water when it rained. That's why all the dirt is up in here. When it was raining, it was sitting upright and it filled up with a lot of water. But this is going to be a good little fishing boat for us, for Melanie and me now. Got some seats and everything else. The seats need some new wood, but I'll redo them another time. Not a big deal. We're going to take this out on the lake today and do some fishing and see if we can get us some food. So there it is. I'm curious. I want to measure this. It doesn't look to be as wide as the other boat, but I could be wrong. It could be just because it is curved on the bottom and has the V hull. So this will take a little bit more waves. And here's Michelle. Look at her walking now. She's checking it out with me. Hi, Michelle. Say hi to everybody. Wave to everybody on the camera. Say hi. Oop, plop. She's getting around on her own. So anyway, don't worry, Michelle is going to stay on the shore with the ladies, so we're going to be fine there. She's not going out in the boat yet. Oh, what? I thought you were going to wave at us. No? Okay. So, we're going to take this out and get some fish. I forgot my camera, so I'm using my phone, so forgive the shakiness today. Good morning, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the very foggy Off-Grid Project. Well, I was going to do a bunch of fishing video. I was going to show you all the fishing and the beauty of it all. And I forgot. I got out there and we started catching fish. We started having a blast. And I forgot everything. And that was it. Well, that's how it goes. And I needed the break. Working on this firewood, I was in a lot of pain because all I did for days and days and days, Friday, Saturday, even Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I worked on firewood all day. Doesn't look like much, but it's a lot of work. Anyway, that's what I did, and it was really hurting. So I needed a break and went fishing. I forgot to use the camera once I got out there. It was a beautiful day, and I got about 20 or 30 fish that we added to our freezer. So that's good. All in all, that's good. So, just wanted to give you an update, get this video up to y'all, show you what I did with my day. When I got home, my plans were also to then record a little bit and show you what we had, but by the time we got home, it was dark. We had things to take care of, and it was just rush, rush, rush. And then I brought them in, and Melanie popped them in the freezer before I came back, and there it is. So, it was a good day, and today is a new day. Let's see what we do today. Please, everybody, like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we continue to strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Talk to you later.